Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really assess the overall condition. And we're gonna do that panel by panel. Now this car does have PPF on it, so the full front bumper, headlights, and then 1/3 of the fender, so right there up, and then 1/3 of the hood, or I would say almost 80% of the hood, honestly, but from here down. And then no PPF here on the upper section of the side mirror, but you do have it on this lower strip. And then you have film on that lower rocker going all the way down. So fully protected. Date code on the tire, 2012, 2011, and then 2012 on the other ones. Looking at this wheel, you have gloss black. I'm not seeing any curb rash. Looking at the calipers, beautiful bright orange. You have the Michelin Pilot Sport N2s. Like I said, date code 2012. Looking at that PPF, you can see it kind of curves here, and then you have it right there. So this little section's not protected. And then you can see the cut, that body line is a little off. It looks like it was hand cut, so you're missing a lot of that section. You have some larger gaps as it goes down. But for the most part, it is there and it is protected. Looking at the paint, typical swirls from everyday washing. This car could use a really good paint correction. Right here, you do have a larger chip. That plastic is in great condition. Scanning the A-pillar, that looks good. Upper section there looks nice. Here on the side mirrors, looks amazing. Making our way down the door. Here on the door edge, you do have a little chip right there. The rest of that looks good. Like I said, full film down here on that lower section. Rest of the door looks good. Here on that edge, it's in great condition. Rest of that quarter panel looks good. You got the smoked lights. I believe those are painted. It's nice and clean. It doesn't feel like a vinyl, so that was painted. It's like a clear coat and, you know, paint mix to give that smoky look. Overall, that wheel looks like it's in great condition. Now, looking at this trim, you're going to see the little scratches and imperfections, and that trim piece is faded. It doesn't have that gloss look anymore. So you do have PPF on most of the hood. The line goes right there, and you can see that down. You also have it on the headlights, but you're going to see a lot of marring in that film. So you can see all the swirls and stuff, and it's also going to be on the paint. So you're going to see the kind of marring and swirls there, but it's definitely in that clear bra. So as you kind of move around, you're going to see it. So we do offer paint correction here in-house, and so you can paint correct on that PPF and get a lot of those swirls out. And of course, for sure, the paint, you can make that paint look 10 times better. So I think this deserves a great paint correction, and she would look amazing. See a marking there. You can see the cut line here, so you are exposed right there on that edge. That lower side. Let's get underneath here. From what I can see, that looks good. Now you do have some rash right there, and some heavy rash right there. Now it's all hidden though. When you're just walking around the car a foot off the ground like this, you're not going to see that. Some more heavy rash. You can see that right there is pretty heavy. Like I said, you're not going to see it just walking around the car. Looking at that fender, looks good. You do have some little markings on the wheel, some light little scratches. Looks like they were touched up though. The rest of that wheel looks good. Door looks nice. Light marking right there. The rest of that mirror looks good. A-pillar, nice and clean. Couple chips right there on the edge. That edge looks good though. The rest of the door looks clean. Couple little impacts here. It's very subtle. And a lot of this paint looks amazing. It still needs paint correction, but the front definitely needs it. Looking at that wheel, overall in great condition. I do see a larger chip right there though. Like I said, the lights are smoked here. It's not a vinyl. Same with this. This was painted, so that's not going to be able to be removed like a vinyl. You can't just peel it off. You would need new lenses if you want to put those back to OEM spec. Scanning through that, looks good. All of that looks really nice. Got the backup camera. From what I can tell back here, this is all in great condition. Okay, looking at the top, scanning through all of that, that looks really good. You have a light marking right here. It's not a rip or anything. Small stain right there. Clarity looks good. Still has that deep black finish. Looks like the back glass here is tinted, and it is tempered. That looks good. Just kind of looking along those seams. That looks awesome. A couple markings here. I imagine that's just when it folds up because it's the same as the other side. A little marking there. Overall though, that's in great condition. And then a couple little scratches on that piece of plastic trim there. All right, checking out the interior. You got the black leather with the orange piping. Got custom speakers behind the seats. Looks really good. Love the interiors on these, and that orange really pops. Checking out the leather here. Typical wrinkles. You're going to see some light separation. If you can see that, kind of moves inside. Very common. A couple light scuffs, a little bit of stains, a little wear on those buttons here. Kind of have that sticky feel. That leather looks good. No separation there. The speaker cover is busted. You can see it's cracked right there. It's kind of loose on that edge now. Looking at the trim, you do have some wear on this trim piece. Kind of delaminating over the years. You have some chips right here, larger chip right there. The rest of the jam looks good. Checking out the stickers, we got photos of those as well. You have heavy wrinkling here and separation. That bolster's pretty much shot inside. It looks like it's just kind of separated in there, but the leather's intact. Typical wear. That bottom side though looks a lot better, nice and firm. Typical wrinkles you're going to see in here. Upper section looks really good. Like I said, this one is kind of barely hanging on in there, it looks like. So that's something that you could probably have all new foam installed in there, kind of get that fixed up. But really that's the biggest flaw in here. Besides that, it's absolutely gorgeous. Steering wheel's in great condition. A couple little scuffs here and there. That silver looks nice. Now the reverse button has a sticky button on it and it's kind of flaking off, so get that a new one of those. That vent's good. Looking at the gauges, looks nice. Here on this console, that's in great condition. Looking at these buttons, you have a little bit of sticky button there. You can see some of that's wearing off. Those buttons look nice. You do have some scratches and wear on that screen. And then looking at these vents, this one doesn't really want to stay in the middle area. This one still has some movement that's good, and same here. It's pretty decent, which is very common on those. Looking at the leather on that dash, I mean, that's in really, really good condition. Beautiful. looks nice. Little marking right here, if you can see that. But for the most part, this is a very clean interior. All right, looking at this door panel, typical wrinkles and separation. So you can see the leather kind of separating from that back panel, very common. But overall, still in great condition. Stitching looks amazing. All that backing is perfect. That's in great condition. Speaker cover looks good. Lower section, nice and clean. So just a little bit of separation on that upper section. Jams look good. Typical wear on this trim from getting in and out. Looking at that paint though, paint looks good. Those jams are nice and clean. Love the piping here being orange. You get up close, you're going to see the wear over the years, but it's very subtle. You do have a, I don't know what this would be honestly, something stuck on the leather or some sort of flaw in the leather. You have this little bump here, and you have some divots there. A little bit of wear on that edge. Typical wrinkles, but for the most part, that seat looks really good. This side of the console, looking at the leather, looks awesome. Same here. That looks good. All of the leather over here is in great condition. Beautiful interior on this side. Very minor wear. Looking in the back here, you do have some speakers. It looks like Excelon. We'll have to get the number on those. Little kind of carbon wrap, nice and flush. It does touch the seat back, puts a little indentation on it. It still looks really good. Okay, here in the front, you can see the amp. There's your brand, and then of course you do have this little cover that you can lay over it. It looks like you're going to see some wiring and stuff. See the gloves in here. The rest of that looks good. Some of the tools. Looks like you're missing the cap right there. Plastics look really nice though. All of that's nice and clean. Looks good. Worked amazing. This is kind of dry rotted.